Hello to all. This is an unboxing of the GHM9 from B&T. It comes in this huge generic unmarked case. It has nothing labeled, logoed as B&T on the case, except the sticker on the side for the serial number and other information. On the front, it has two latches that you slide to the left and to the right, so you're able to open up the top of the case. And inside, you have your firearm, the sights, the iron sights, magazine loading tool, warning label, 130 round magazine, sling, instruction manual with Allen key, and of course, again, the GHM9. A nice looking little pistol. As of now, just a pistol. So the GHM9, this is a nice looking little pistol. This is my fourth little 9mm subgun, if that's what I'm going to call it, that I've had, that I've owned. I have owned an MPX, don't have one anymore, but currently I still do have the Chris Vector and CZ Scorpion. And I'm going to add this to my collection. So I definitely will be SBRing it. As of now though, I'm going to be using a KG made Rogue X for the suppressor on it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to either get the Omega 9K, CGS Mod 9K, but I'm mostly leaning towards the Wolfman for this. So on it, the controls, all polymer, safety selector. I believe the trigger can be replaced in a way with a AR trigger. I'm definitely going to do that. Straight trigger, mostly if I can get a hyperfire trigger, that's what I want to try out for this. Magazine release on the right and the left. Bolt catch on the right and left also. Excuse me, these are actually the bolt releases. I did get confused when I picked it up. I was trying to press this down and catch it. The bolt catch is actually on the bottom. On the top, you have the charging handle, which is reversible. I'll try it out. I'm not sure which side I want it on, but this is kind of, you know, now I don't have it braced or anything, but has a little bit of resistance. And came with polymer, Magpul, 1913 Picatinny rail slots, sections. I would probably like this naked, bare, maybe some rail scales there instead. I'll probably mount some kind of thorn tail. Flashlight mount over here on the side. I'm gonna go with the SRO for the optic. Side folding stock. And again, most likely the Wolfman. The 9mm suppressors I have are all a little bit too big. I kind of want to get the SD handguard so I can kind of recess the suppressor under it. But the Wolfman would be too thick for that. So I figured something out. But yeah, this suppressor really doesn't look nice on it. And I do want to get a 3-lug mount so I can at least cover up a little bit more of the barrel. I'm looking forward to making this my next SBR project. This is a good looking firearm. Hopefully it's soft shooting. I just gotta find some more 9mm subsonic ammo or bullets so I can reload some 9mm subsonic ammo. But just an unboxing for now. Stay tuned. I'll show you guys when it's complete and have some shooting videos for you all. Thanks for watching.